Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung's latest iteration in their foldable smartphone lineup. Let's see if this device lives up to the hype and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. First off, let's talk design. Samsung has made significant strides here, making the Z Fold 6 thinner and lighter compared to its predecessors. This not only enhances the portability but also makes it more comfortable to hold. The outer display has been enlarged slightly to 6.3 inches, which makes using it for quick tasks much more convenient. It's sleek and feels premium in hand. Moving on to the displays, you're getting a stunning 7.6-inch main dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This makes everything from scrolling through apps to gaming incredibly smooth. The outer display also uses dynamic AMOLED 2X technology, ensuring vibrant colors and sharpness, although it's smaller at 6.3 inches. The adaptive refresh rate technology is a nice touch, adjusting to your usage for optimal battery life. Under the hood, the Z Fold 6 packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset coupled with 12GB of RAM. This setup handles multitasking and demanding applications with ease. Whether you're editing photos, streaming videos, or playing games, performance remains top-notch. Now, let's talk cameras. While the Z Fold 6's camera setup is impressive with a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixels telephoto lens, they fall short of flagship level compared to devices like the S24 Ultra. They perform well in good lighting conditions but struggle a bit in low-light situations. The front-facing cameras are decent for selfies and video calls but don't stand out in this price range. Battery life on the Z Fold 6 is adequate with its 4,400 mAh capacity. It'll get you through a full day of moderate usage, but heavy users might find themselves reaching for a charger before the day ends. Unfortunately, faster charging would have been appreciated, as it lags behind some competitors in this area. One of the standout features of the Z Fold 6 is its AI capabilities. Samsung has integrated powerful AI features like real-time translation and sketch-to-image, which enhance user experience significantly. These features leverage the device's powerful hardware to deliver practical benefits in everyday use. Samsung has also improved durability with this model, making it more resilient to daily wear and tear. The addition of IP48 rating adds peace of mind against dust and water splashes, although it's not fully waterproof. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a compelling foldable smartphone that excels in design, performance, and innovative features like AI capabilities. It's lighter, thinner, and more durable than its predecessors, which enhances its usability and portability. If you're in the market for a premium foldable with cutting-edge technology and don't mind the premium price tag, the Z Fold 6 is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.